Hello guys, let's learn how to add halo blur on videos. After you open Capcut, drag your video on the timeline. Crop it to your desired length. Next, click on Effects and choose Halo Blur. Drag the effect to the timeline as well and crop it to how much you would like for. On the top right of the screen, adjust the strength and speed. I ended up with 100 for strength and 80 for speed. To make the video more interesting, go on and drag an audio to the timeline. Adjust it however you like, and you are done. If you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe. See you next time.